You have asked. You have pleaded. Maybe you have even cried out inside, searching for direction, for a yes or a no. And the answer today again has been silence. It's a strange kind of loneliness because it feels like you're talking to a wall. It's frightening to think that silence means there is no one on the other side. Or worse, that what's there is indifference. But there are moments when the noise of our own desires is so loud that the only thing that can truly reach us is when everything suddenly goes quiet. Sometimes God says nothing because he knows any word would be lost in the middle of your anxiety. Tonight's silence is not abandonment. It simply means that today the medicine is stillness. When we're waiting for an answer, the body usually goes on guard. The jaw tightens, as if you were chewing on doubt. Notice if your teeth are touching right now. Let them soften. Your ears are overly alert, searching for a sound, a confirmation. Relax the area around your temples. Let your head fully rest on the pillow. There is nothing you need to hear out there right now. Sometimes the heart beats with an urgency that doesn't help. Inhale slowly. Exhale and allow your body to loosen. You don't have to stay alert. If God is quiet, you can be quiet too. Sometimes we look for noise because it makes us feel secure, but healing often happens in what makes no sound. Like a wound that closes while you sleep, without you even noticing. If God chooses silence today, it means he is allowing the mud of your thoughts to settle at the bottom, so the water can become clear again. That silence is, in fact, a safe space. There are no demands, no new tasks, nothing to figure out. It's just you, breathing in a room where God is also silent with you. God, today I searched for you and did not hear you. I asked you, and there was no answer. Help me not to fear this silence. Help me understand that your lack of words is not a lack of love. If today you have chosen to be silent so that my heart can heal, teach me how to wait. Remove the urgency to know everything right now. Thank you, because even if you say nothing, I know you have not moved from my side. I surrender to your silence and receive your peace. Amen. Tonight, stop straining for clarity. You don't need to force meaning out of this moment. What needs to unfold will unfold in its proper time. When your thoughts are no longer restless. For now, let your questions lie down beside you. Let your breathing grow slower and deeper. Allow the quiet to restore what anxiety has drained. Close your eyes without demanding certainty. Release the tension in your chest. Everything is being held together, even in the silence.